and today I am teaching you how to make those really cool light ray effects. To make this effect, you need two things. First of all, you need smoke. You can use a haze machine or something else, as long as it's safe. I will be using a vape, and that's because they're super portable, they are easy to use, and best of all, they do not set off smoke alarms. You will also need some type of Fresnel light or some type of light that creates a beam of light, like a flashlight. We will make a video about turning your flashlight into a super operational cool little effect light. I'll try to remember to put it in the description of this video. If I don't, I already apologize. I do forget stuff. I recommend that you light the smoke either from behind or from the sides. I also recommend that you have less light in the room. When making light rays, it's best to let the smoke fill the room for best effect. In the beginning, smoke will have uneven shapes, it will have bits and pieces, and it will look like fresh smoke. But if you let it rest, it will fill the room more and it will turn into a haze, and the light rays will have more of a beam look. It will have that cinematic, cool, epical look that you want. Or maybe you want the other look, I don't know. You choose, that's it. Now go out there and make some really cool light beams. And calling it light beams, light rays, I don't know. You know what I mean. Just go and make stuff.